Metatrader4 winning strategy. This strategy is meant for Metatrader4 and not Metatrader5. Neither can you use this on derived platform. Welcome to Profiting Forex Trading channel. Glad to come your way again. I would like to show you this winning strategy. This strategy is made up of few indicators combined together to give us this accurate signal. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you do so. This is a winning strategy that anyone can use. Now let's move on to today's tutorial. Now let me show you how to use these Forex tools. Number one thing you need to look out for is this pivot point. These are the zone. Let me move on to higher time frame so that we can see it clearly. Then I will come back to lower time frame to explain this strategy. Now here are the zones on the 1 hour radar. This is R1, resistance 1, resistance 2. This is daily pivot point, and this is daily support so 1, and this is daily support so 2. Now let's move back to lower time frame. You can use this strategy on any time frame you want to. I would like to show you on 5-minute time frame for scalping. Here we have this is D1 pivot point, and we have this arrow giving us a signal on the support on the pivot point. For the day we have this blue arrow, and if you check this indicator MACD also, this cross, the red cross down, and the histogram is red, and we have trend indicator red also giving us a sell signal. If you look at all the indicators, we have everything in agreement at this particular point. We have the macro indicator turning from lime color to red. We have the arrow, we have the other indicators. Every indicator was in agreement at this particular point. So this is the right point for us to play is our trade, and your stop loss will just be few pips above the previous high, and you can ride the trend, or you take 5, 10, 20 pips out of the trade since you are scalping. So this is how to use this winning strategy for Metatrader4. This is USA 30, since I like trading US 30, and as you can see, I'm in profit already using this particular strategy. Now let me show you the setting for all the indicators that I use for this particular strategy. And number one indicator here is macro color indicator, crossover indicator, and the color I use is lime, and that's why you see lime color here. Same lime color here, and red color, and that's where you see red here also. And let me show you the value for the indicators. For this particular indicator, the first, just make sure you pause it and enter the value accurately, and you can click OK if everything is all right. You can pause the video. If you want this one not to be filled, you can turn it on or off, so feed either true, or you turn it off, so slow MA. You will have every value here if you turn it to true. If not, if you don't want it, you can turn it off. And once you are okay, just click OK. And the other indicator is a signal indicator that will give us this green and red, the green and red, this green here, this green value here, and this red here for sell. So this is the indicator. So the only thing you need to change here is the value, only the color rather. There's nothing to change, and they click OK. Then the other indicator is all pivot point indicator that you have seen here. The time frame is D1, though you can change it, but I'm using D1 pivot point for this particular strategy. If you want to play with the other pivot points, you can use a different time frame, but this is what I'm using, D1. And you can pause the video to enter the value correctly, but this is the default setting beside the D1 that I've changed. So every other thing is the default setting, but make sure you check it and see if everything is okay. The upper level color is red and the lower level color is lime green. So you can just change anything you want to change here. This is where I change all the value. You pause it and change the value. So the next indicator is this no repaint indicator, and here is the value. Gap is to just pause it and enter the value, and the color, this is the arrow, this blue arrow, this is not repainting indicator, and you can use that also. That's what I use it with in combination with other indicator. Everything must be in agreement before you place your trade. And the other indicator here is the inclination candle, the green bar for buy and the red for sell. There's nothing to change here beside the colors. The symbol changer, there's nothing to explain here. I've explained in nearly all my video how to use this particular indicator. Just so I have a double MACD here, and this is the value 12.26.9, just like normal default MACD, but the only difference is this moving average that we have on this MACD, and these are the colors that I use. So can you use any color you want, but this is the color that I use for this particular indicator. And the last indicator is the trend indicator here. This is the value, and this is the color that I use, this particular indicator. So this is all the indicators I use for this particular strategy. This is a winning strategy for Metatrader 4. Just make sure all the indicators are in agreement before you place your trade. Let's go back a bit and see how this play out. Just make sure you follow it accordingly, so you can use it on any time frame, either 1 or 4 hours, all depend on you. And here is it on the Euro USD also, so you can use it on any time frame you want. If there's anything you do not understand, you can chat me up on my Telegram group or drop your comments in the comment box, and I will get back to you. Just make sure everything is in agreement, and you will be fine. And your stop loss just few pips above the previous high while you write your trend, or you use the take profit that you want to use, either 10, 15, 20 or 30 pips, and write the trend with your trailing stop. So if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you do so, and give me that thumb up if you really like this video. The download link to this particular video is in the video description. Make sure you check it and download it. I've made video on how to download from the website that I normally upload my file. There's a video on how to go about it. Till I come your way again, I remain your fellow trader, Joe, and bye for now. This is a follow-up to my video. I saw some comments that this the download link is not working. Let me check some of the comment. Oh, here is one. Here's one of the comments. Bro, is the indicator in your Telegram group that link not allow any download? It is taking me elsewhere. This is one comment, and I think I have few comments like that keep on telling me that this download link is not working, or they have not been able to download it. So I will try to show you how to do that right now, so that this new video is the same process you are going to follow. So I'm going to check, and most time I tell people that download link is in the video description, but they don't check. This is how to check. Just come to more here. You are going to see so more. Just click on it and it's going to open up, and here is the download link. This is the download link for this particular video. Just click on it. I'm going to do that right now to show you how to use this particular link. Just click on it and it will take you to another page where you can download. Now here is the download page for this particular indicator that I shared, and you are going to see this countdown here from 45 seconds to 0. So you have to wait for like 45 seconds for you to be able to download this particular indicator. So if you don't want to wait, you can keep on doing other thing and come back to download it. But let's wait for a few seconds and download this particular indicator. So it is not taking you to a spam website. It will take you directly to the download page, and you are going to see what is going to happen next. Now we have it right now. It's 0, and then now the download link appear. So you can click on the download link right now, but most likely it will take you to another page entirely, but you can close that page. Now let's practicalize it and see how it goes. So some people complain they've not been able to download it, but if you check here, it has been downloaded 254 times. It has been downloaded here. So people actually downloaded this particular indicator. So let's click on it right now and see. So it's open another page. You don't need this page. Just make sure you close it and click on it again. Now it is downloading, and here you have it right now. The indicator has been downloaded, and here is it right now. The indicator has been downloaded. So what you need to do is to extract the indicator and use it on your MT4. So there's no need for you to wait for long. Once you wait for 45 seconds, you are going to see the download link. The first time you click on it, it might want to take you to another page, but just close the new page and click on the download again. The second times you might click on it again, might want to take you to another page. The third time might want to take you to another, but just keep on closing it and come back to download. Sometimes it might be once, like the sample, like what we just did right now. It was once, and we downloaded it. So this is how to use it. I'm not directing you to a spam website. It is not in my nature to misinform you or to give you a wrong link, because some people are insinuating that I'm giving them a wrong link, that they've not been able to download it. No, it is not so. It's just that I do not know how to use this particular page to download what I've shared on my YouTube channel. So this is how to use it. And if you want to use this particular website to upload your file and keep it here, it is free also. You can do the same thing. I have an account on this particular website, but I'm going to make separate video on how to do that. Till I come your way again, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you do so. Like the video and give me that thumb up. Bye for now.